So in today's video, we're going to unbox the iMac. So first of all, let's remove the outer box. So as you can see, the main box is inside the outer box. So let's open the main box of the iMac. You can see it says iMac on the front and there's a blue strap to match the color. So first of all, let's remove the iMac. As you can see, this is the iMac. We'll keep it on the side for now. Now let's open the accessory box. So first of all, we've got the keyboard. Then we've got the mouse. Then we've got the USB-C to Lightning cable, which is braided. And this is the power cable. And here's the power brick and the cable that connects to the iMac for the power. And you can see the cable that connects to the iMac is graded and it's also blue, which matches the color of the iMac. And finally, we've got our documents and stickers. So you can see we've got two stickers to match the color of the iMac. And I'll close the box now and keep it aside. So now let's look at all of the accessories in the box. So we've got the keyboard, the cable, the mouse, the two stickers, the power cable, and the power brick. Now let's open the iMac itself. So first of all, we'll have to remove the outer covering. And now you can see the color on the back. It's a very dark blue. So now I'll remove the plastic over it. And as you can see, this time the Apple logo is bigger compared to the previous iMac. And I'll remove the plastic above the power outlet. You can see there's some plastic on the side. So I'll remove that as well. Now that we remove that, we'll remove the main hello sticker. And then you'll get to see the front of the iMac. And as you can see, there's white bezels and there's a chin, which is a light blue color. And there's the camera above the display. Now let's plug it into the power. And you can see it snaps in on. Now let's open the iMac. You can see the Apple logo shows up. Now we see the setup screen, so we'll have to open the mouse and keyboard. As you can see, now that they're connected, we can continue. I'm going to select English as my language. And since the keyboard is still connecting, it says to turn on my keyboard. And now that it's connected, it's proceeding to the next step. Next we get to select our country, so since I'm in Japan, I'll select Japan. And you can see, we can see our options. I'm going to press continue, and since I don't need to have any accessibility, I'll remove that, and I'll skip the Wi-Fi part. You can see it asks us if we want to move anything. Skip the sign in with Apple ID part. Click OK with Find My, OK with Express Setup, and OK with the analytics, and I'll set up screen time later. I'll set up Siri. I'll set up Hey Siri later. I won't share any data with the Siri. I'll ask if you want to turn on firewall description. Turned it on. Now it's the Touch ID step. So all we have to do is place the finger and it'll recognize it. Now that we're done with Touch ID, we can continue. I'll set up Apple Pay. And I'll choose dark as the look of the iMac. And you can see without the True Tone display. But I'll keep it on. Now our desktop's loads. That's all the video, and I'll see you next time.